Today we are going to make mixed vegetable stew. The ingredients are cauliflower, ginger and 15 shallots. The next ingredient is chopped beans, 5 to 10 in number. The next ingredient is carrot, tomato sliced and green chili, 3 in number. Next ingredient is garlic, 5 to 6. The next ingredient is big onion, 1 sliced. The next ingredients are spices, cinnamon, nutmeg, black pepper, clove and others. The next ingredient is 2 to 3 potatoes, peeled, sliced and diced. Next ingredient is thinned coconut milk and a little amount of thick coconut milk. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the onions. Put in the garlic. Put in the shallots. And finally the ginger and salt for 3 minutes. Put in the spices and salt. Salt the mixture for 2 to 3 minutes. Put in the beans, salt. Finally, put in the cauliflower. Put in the potatoes. The beans, cauliflower and other ingredients. Put in the carrot, tomato and green chili. And mix. Close the lid and cook for 10 minutes. Add salt to taste and mix. Close and cook. pour in 2 cups of water and close and cook. Open the lid and stir occasionally. Then close and cook. After 6 to 7 minutes, pour in 150 ml of thin coconut milk. And mix. Then close and cook. Open. Open the lid and put in the curry leaves and mix. Then close and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. To this, pour in 50 ml of thick coconut milk and mix. Close and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. This is the final mixed vegetable stew.